and get my stuff, get some of my parts. And I did get a part in yesterday, so what I will do is when I get all my parts together, I'll show them then. But as of now, I'm not going to show anything. Yeah, but in the meantime, I'll explain to y'all what's going down because yes, Mr. Terry got out of hand, so he's kicking, you know, Jimmy and his girl out. So, yeah, but the business is still going. So he's getting cars, basically, you know, the ones, you know, he's gonna work on and all. Like, you might see, so I'm probably way up with the wheels on it. And I'm throwing the parts inside of here, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep them parts at my house for an hour. And then when everything's done, I get, you know, me a car or Alex, you know, we'll probably go, you know, bring the parts to his house. Because he's planning on getting the house with a garage, so that's good. At least we still have somewhere to work, you know. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see me or not. I know I'm probably a little black, but it's a bright one. Basically what I'm gonna do is move my car over here, bag it in there, and yeah, I'm gonna basically get my my Z, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get my tires, my wheels or whatever, and put it on this Z, and yeah, she'll be back on some tires. But gave my key to Mr. Terry and whatnot, and he was telling, you know, the reason why, you know, he was like that. He was talking about how his insurance kept going up and whatnot. So yeah, so basically, I mean, I can't complain. At least, you know, he let us, at least he let them, you know, get a couple of weeks or whatever to get their stuff together and find another place. So on top of that, what's funny is they found a place by my place, like down the street, literally down the street, and I'm like, wow, you know, and he ain't gonna really, he's not getting a lot of cars from what I'm hearing. He's only getting the Camaro that's in the bay, and he's getting my Z, then he's getting the little Civic, I think, the old Civic. Yeah, I remember the red Civic. He's getting that Civic, and yeah, basically, you know, just work on them cars. And trust me, now I don't have to worry about, you know, driving, you know, to certain places. Now I can just walk down the street, you know, hang out with them and whatnot. And yeah, so yeah. But basically, that's what's going down. Right now I'm gonna just see what else I need to do besides my parts. Cause I'm gonna get my what I have here, my pistons, my CP pistons. I'm gonna put them in the car, take them home, you know, put them with my other stuff. And yeah, I don't want to tell y'all, I don't want to tell y'all, you know, anything else that I got, because I want to save it for later. So like I said, I get all the parts, and yeah, so right now, that's what I'm gonna try to do is get my wheels out here, get the jack and jack this car up, and yeah, just go at it. So I'll probably get y'all on the GoPro, so just probably, you know, yeah, just stick around. So what I meant to tell y'all too was Jimmy has a bike. I think it's a Yamaha 600. I'm not sure. And he put a turbo on it. And he went down to the lot and raced a couple people. I was surprised. I never seen a bike with a turbo. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so what I'm gonna do right now is go through the tires on and yeah, just throw the tires on. I was up there thinking, well, turn the camera around, turn the tires on, throw the tires on and yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then basically just, wait, where'd she go? Oh, she over there. Basically just get my parts, so yeah. I don't know. I forgot these I forgot this has a key. I gave it back to Chris. So yeah. Crap. Let me see if I can find something else, you guys. Alright, so you guys, basically I have I think this is a 17 and it fits on there, but this is not a key. That's the actual you know, socket or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do with this. But hopefully it can just get on there, you know, stay on there for now. I'm not gonna you know, I'm gonna remember this, like it ain't gonna have any it won't be tightened down basically. So yeah, let me get right to that right quick so I can knock this out. I forgot who charged this GoPro battery up, so yeah, I need to start buying me some more batteries instead of just one. So yeah, hopefully I can get enough footage for y'all, you know, with this right here. And yeah, enjoy. Always remember, you guys, safety first. You never know what can happen. Even though we're not under the car, so yeah. Alright, you guys, so I put all the stuff in that I want to take home. You know, this is basically all the parts. Rest up under there. I think this is these the pistons, crankshaft, throttle bodies, computer, and the other stuff is at the house. So yeah, basically I'm taking this. I'm gonna keep it in my car for tonight. I'm not gonna unload all this stuff because the crankshaft is heavy, and I don't want to, you know, do all that work, you know. So basically I'm gonna do all that, take that home, put it in my the box I got at the house. Hopefully it all fit in there. Then after that, yeah, maybe I'm gonna vlog for y'all tomorrow. So yeah. But in the meantime, you guys, I can't wait for this, basically, you know, this dream to come true, because I ain't gonna lie, I've been putting a lot of time and money into this Z, which I still got that ding right there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. The little dent right there, right there, right there. Yeah. So that being said, hopefully I enjoyed this little short vlog, and I will be vlogging tomorrow. So more vlogs about Bloody Zilla, you know, stopping all the bullshit, like I've been said. So yeah, and yeah, I'm just gonna go on ahead and get through with this, and yeah, just have fun with it and show y'all the progress, and hopefully it turns out, you know, great, not, you know, basically, you know, scared or flop or something being blown. Yeah, but I can't speak yet, you know. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up if you did. You didn't, oh well, you know, stick around for more. You know, hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah, so that being said, go out there what you want, you guys. Be a dream chaser, and yeah, chase that dream down. I don't care how long it takes. I promise you, if you put the time into it, it will come true. And subscribe if you haven't, so you won't miss out on Bloody Zilla and Daily Z. I still don't know a name for her. I call her Dree, but I only reason why I said Dree because I was messing with Carl, and he named his Z Angela, and Aaron named his Z Donna. I don't know a name for this one, but the red one, I named that one Bloody Zilla because it's red. So yeah, but hopefully y'all enjoyed this vlog, like I said, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, shout out to the new subscribers I got on here. I will explain more what's, you know, well, basically go, you know, if you haven't seen what I've been doing lately, go through my past videos and you know, check it out. And listen, leave some feedback, you guys. Don't be scared to leave no feedback, because in the end of the day, most likely I'm gonna reply to y'all, because I'm still shouting. You know, I got that many subscribers, and a lot of people, you know, liking this Z, and then, you know, checking out my other videos. So yeah, your boy's out.